In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pinyin with traditional Chinese input on Windows 11. It's a straightforward process, but if you're encountering it for the first time, you might find a detailed guide helpful. So let's dive right in and navigate this setup together. First things first, we'll need to add the traditional Chinese language to your Windows 11 system. To do this, start by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. This simple key combination will open the Settings menu, which serves as the command center for customizing various aspects of your computer's operation. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Time and Language section. Under this category, you'll find Language and Region. Click on that option to move forward. This area houses all the language and regional settings available on your system, and it's exactly where we need to be for our task today. Now look for an option that says Add a Language. It's here you can expand the linguistic capabilities of your computer. By clicking Add a Language, you'll be opening a dialog box that allows you to search for and select new language setups. In the search bar that appears, type in the term Chinese Traditional. You'll notice there are a few options to choose from. Specifically, look for either Chinese Traditional Taiwan or Chinese Traditional Hong Kong CR. Both versions will work, so feel free to select the one that best suits your preference or needs. After you've found your preferred version of Traditional Chinese, click on it to highlight your choice. Look towards the bottom of the screen, where you'll see a Next button. Clicking Next will lead you to a summary page that outlines the language features that will be installed, such as the basic typing capability and the handwriting input. Once you've reviewed the options, go ahead and click Install. At this point, Windows will begin downloading and setting up the necessary components. Depending on your internet speed, this process should only take a few minutes, but feel free to use this time to stretch or grab a cup of coffee. After the installation is complete, your system will be equipped with the ability to type in traditional Chinese using Pinyin, which is a widely used input method. You can easily switch between input languages by using a keyboard shortcut. Just press the Windows key and the space bar simultaneously. This will allow you to toggle between different installed languages seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully set up Pinyin with traditional Chinese input on your Windows 11 device. I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, take care.